cards for Teacher Appreciation Week, and we have 11 teachers that we wanted to buy for. Of course, the kids only have 2, but there's 11 altogether, so I just was like, let's just do all of them. You can get your gift cards through the drive-thru, although it is frowned upon because I don't know what I was thinking. What was that sound? Gross. Eva is putting the thank you notes together right now that we're going to put in the bags. So we got these bags from Target, and let's see. They are favor bags in this pretty mint color, and they came in 12 count, which worked out perfectly because we have 11 teachers. Here's all of our gift cards. We just did $5 each for each of them. And here is the coffee. So I still have to get the tags printed. I'm gonna get those from CVS, I think. And so I will show you all in a minute how I'm going to make the tags. Okay, I'm gonna share a secret with y'all today on how I get my marketing materials so cheap. So what I do first is I go into Canva. It's canva.com for those of you that have never heard of this. And I clicked on postcard. So it's only because I want it to be the size of a normal picture. This one is like 4x5, and normally like a postcard's like 4x6. I mean, a picture is 4x6, so this is fine. So I just gave it a red background. You can see if you just play around with it, it's pretty foolproof. You just got to do it a few times just to get the feel of it. So I went into the little section over all the way to the left that says elements, and I typed in the search bar school. So it came up with these really cute pencils, and you can scroll all the way through there, find whatever design you want to. And I love the way that these pencils and all of their colors contrast against the red background. So I am using these as a border. And what I just did there was I highlighted them, and where the little the pages are up in that right corner, you can click that and it will replicate whatever you have highlighted. So if you're doing this on a phone, it is a lot easier because it does have an actual button that says flip, so you can replicate it and flip it. You don't have to turn it all the way around like I did with the arrow. But anyways, I am going back over to that section all the way to the left, and I'm clicking back on elements, and now I'm going to search for square because I want something to kind of just add a little bit more dimension to this picture. So you can see right there, it has all of the different options and all the different squares. So I like this one. It's funky and it's nice. So I am just going to put it how I want it and get it to the correct size. And then I am going to go over to the little color bar, and I will choose the color I like. So I love how this yellow is pulling the yellow from the pencil, so that looks really nice. And now I'm going all the way back over to the left, and I'm clicking on text. Now, I saw this on Pinterest. I thought it was so cute, and this is going to be for the teachers, so I thought this was super cute for them. It says C is for caffeine, and I am giving this to them with all of their little coffee and donut presents that we are taking them on Thursday. So I am just playing around with all of the different fonts and everything. You can use whatever font you want to. If you can see it up there where it says Buffalo, that is just where you can click on and change whatever font you want. And they have so many options. So right now I typed in thank you. I'm gonna write, a cute little quirky note to them, and I'm going over to the side, and I want this to be some really large, cute cursive on the bottom, just to make it really bold at the bottom. And so now I'm just going through and I'm trying to pick the one that I want. And if you can see, before I clicked on all of these, they did have some options for you that were already made up, so you can click those. They show you how you can type things, or they give you certain examples, which over there where it says bake fresh and stay fearless, stuff like that. So you can already use those if you want to, or you can make your own like this. So it says, thank you for all you do. And now I'm just going to situate that to put it wherever I want it. Now I'm highlighting that whole little note right there, and I want to pull some of that blue that's on the edges over. So I'm going to, I think this blue is so pretty, and I'm trying to decide if I want it to be really large or fit right into the middle, and I like it just the way it is right here. But if you see, you can go back up to that color chart, and you can even click on the spectrum, and they have so many different colors for you to pick from, seriously. And they give you options too, pulling from whatever design. So it did choose this yellow and this blue from me since I had those pencils there. And now I am just going to the top, and you want to go to the top and hit that little arrow, and I am going to save this as a high quality image. Now this is going to be saved as a high quality image, and it's already downloaded to my computer. Now I am going to cbs.com, and I have an account with them, so you're going to want to log in and go to photos, and you want to click get photos and click on my computer. And so this is going to pull up everything that you have. Go to downloads, because there you see that is my most recent download, and I'm just going to plug that in and just wait on it to load. And when that comes up, it is going to show me just how it has already edited for me, and it's made it fit right there into a 4x6. So I have 11 teachers, but I always like to get just a couple extra in case some of them mess up. So I'm going to go up to the number bar right there, or the number area, and I just type in 12 because I do want to get 12 of these. And then see, it's only $4.20. So I clicked order now, and it's just showing me that I can pay in store. Now, usually they have so many different options for promo codes or anything like that that you can use. So make sure you can find some of those. I just didn't have enough pictures for that today. I just picked up the cards from CVS, and they turned out so cute. Oh my gosh, look. So this is a 4x6 print. If you can see, it's just a picture. And today I did get 12 of them, and I paid like $4.20. Normally, if you do more than 50 pictures, you'll get a discount. You can get them for like 5 cents each. So that is where I really save when I'm doing my marketing materials. I will do cards in the same exact way for like real estate and for all of our other family companies, just because, I mean, look at this. You can get so many of these for so cheap. If you're getting them for 5 cents each, then you're saving tons of money for good quality stuff too. good team.
Yeah. That's for my teacher, y'all.